In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make name slip in Canva. If you're organizing an event, labeling classroom materials, or just want clean, consistent tags, this process is quick and beginner-friendly. We'll start by finding the right template, customize it to match your style, and finish with high-quality prints. I'll also show you a fast way to generate dozens of tags from a list of names, so you don't have to edit each one by hand. First, open Canva and use the search bar at the top. Type name tag or label. This pulls up ready-made layouts sized and styled for name slips. Use filters to narrow by color or theme if you have a look in mind. Click a design you like to open it, or choose a blank canvas if you want full control. Templates are great time savers, and you can change everything later, so pick something close to your vision. To add a name, click the text tab on the left and select a text style, or simply double-click any text already on the template. Type the name exactly as you want it to appear. Keep readability in mind, larger sizes and simple styles are easier to spot at a glance. With the text selected, use the toolbar to switch fonts, adjust size, and tweak spacing. You can align the text to center or left, depending on the design. Now make it yours. Change colors for the text, background, and shapes to match your brand or event palette. In Elements, search for icons or shapes, or upload a logo or photo if you have one. Keep contrast strong so names stand out. If you add multiple items, use Arrange to send elements forward or backward and create clean layering. Small touches like consistent margins and even spacing make the final tag look polished and professional. Creating many tags at once is easy with Canva's Bulk Create. Open the app, import a simple spreadsheet with a single column of names, then connect that list to the name text in your design. Canva will generate a version for each entry automatically, saving tons of time while keeping the layout consistent. When you're ready, click Share, then download. Choose PDF print for the best quality. You can print at home on thicker paper for durability, or select Canva Print for professional results delivered to you. Always preview before printing, and consider a quick test page to check color and size. That's it. Thanks for watching.